Hey filmmaker Chung here. I bought a GoPro Hero 7 Black. It says that it has a gimbal-like stabilization, so we are going to try and test out how well it compares to a gimbal. But first, let's look what's inside of the box. So this is what is inside of the GoPro Hero 7. So we have here, of course, the GoPro Hero 7, and also it has the marking of the 7 on the side of the camera. This matte black actually gets much dirtier than the gray one before. 2 mounts here with 3M stickers. Battery is actually the same as the 5 and 6, so if you have like the previous version, you can actually use the same battery. A quick guide showing you a few things you can do. GoPro stickers, so you can stick this anywhere you want. Important product plus safety instructions, so it's only about safety, it's not even a manual. And a USB Type-C cable for charging your camera. So one thing I kind of miss here, because we have the GoPro Hero Fusion, which is a really nice 360 camera, but it actually comes with a nice case for it. So you get like a case that really fits the Fusion nicely in it, and you can close it, and also it has like the opening here for your mount. And yeah, there isn't a similar case for that. I thought that GoPro would at least give us a similar case to the one of Fusion, which would be really nice to have in addition, have that in the package itself. But maybe GoPro could come out with a case like this and sell it as an accessory. So it's now a little bit windy and we're outside testing the GoPro Hero 7, and we're going to see how well the stabilization is. So yeah, also a little bit how the noise is, because some people say that the audio has improved, so I'm not sure if it's picking my voice out that well and not that much of the environment. So let's flip this around. So it does look very smooth, but it's, for my eyes, when I look at the screen, it sways quite a lot. So the audio actually sounds a little bit muffled. Isn't that bad, but still I would rather have really nice, clear, crisp audio. And the stability isn't all that gimbal-like, I would say. It's still sways around, especially when you're in a car and it's cornering, it really struggles. But walking and going upstairs is actually quite okay with it. The other thing is when it starts to get dark, it really starts to struggle with trying to get like a stable shot. And yeah, high ISO, it still is not that great. But I would still say I'm going to buy multiple of these when we're hiking with my team, that we actually have these around chest mounted or head mounted, so we can actually film each other and talk a bit and actually film with this for a few shots and not have to carry a lot of gear while we're up in the mountains hiking and climbing. Still, this is a really great addition. It's really much more of an improvement over my GoPro Hero 5, and yeah, I really like the colors and everything about it. So it really is a recommended upgrade. So that was mainly it. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.